So I wonder. Okay, like so I'll just cut that out. Uh, so can you hear me down there, Jamie? So anyways, I was not sharing my screen there for the first bit, so I'm sure a lot of the things I was saying did not make any sense. But this is a good place to actually start anyways, because now I have my OneNote up with some of the goals that I've had for my website. And then on the left-hand side here, I have the CSS that I'm going to start modifying to remove some of this kind of just janky looking dashed lines around it. I might leave some of the structure here, or at least some of the comments for some of these pieces, especially around like this media aware stuff. Um, I did comment that I would like to make some tools, build a tools type CSS sheet that can be activated by JS. So I think that that will kind of allow some way for the system to like chunk this back over onto the website if I ever actually want that to happen again. So I know like the multi-page website thing might not be in vogue as far as like it's better just to have like the single page site. But I feel like there's still some value to having some segregation between the different sites because I'm going to be doing a lot of messing around. So I am going to keep the multi page format from some of the older sites just because I really do want to have some of these just be completely separate and not have to use JS to separate these things. Um, okay, so first things first, all of you gone. Interesting. You can't comment out all of this at once. Control. So you just want to comment out that bit, and that's it. That's very interesting. So does CSS only have all CSS multi-line comment? Hmm, gotcha. Well, it's my CSS, so I will deal with it what I want. Oh, that's annoying. It's like there's some width issue somewhere here. Oh, that's even more annoying. There's not a width issue anywhere, and it's still like giving me way too much working room. So that's just kind of a headache. So I'll be working the CSS for a little bit. And get rid of that. Okay, back to white. No, I do not think that we're going to be sticking with white for very long. Okay, main site. I don't even. Okay, there we go. Hmm. does that look like? Okay, so I'm just thinking out loud here. 500 pixels, max width. Okay, that's very interesting. So adding in max width of 500 pixels, auto, will just like take us back. Hmm, okay. So it looks like the left is more important. And so there's not really a centering feature here yet on this group right here. And so this is just kind of wanting to float when it's not getting kicked by the margins left and right. So centering text and CSS. Okay, so I feel like this is where I just get twisted. Text align. I just want to get this into say. I want all that into center. Oh, that's interesting. So what about changing the P? I don't really like how the bio looks right now. I do not like how this is not like centered in between like the entire website. See how that like jams over here. Once it hits its max width, it should just be back over. You know what? I also need to get my theme updated. I feel like that's like the worst part. So like right now, like I really just need like body, background color, something better. And for that, I can probably kick open the notes and just use eyedropper. And this is the one I like. So let's get into MS Paint. This is an old one. OB. This used to be a trick. RGB. There you go. Okay. Which one? Background. Not quite like that. Okay. That the custom color is one. Okay. Let's try that. I don't even know what 5 EM means. 10 EM. I really gotta forget that. That text is centered. The div element is centered. Hmm. Okay. So I feel like this is where this is maybe not the best way to edit some of these things. Maybe that's fine too. I feel like this is where you want a framework to build your website in, because this just feels challenging to try and get everything just right. And half of these, it does not seem to have the properties like you would expect them to do. CSS. Well, let's try to make something more interesting. Ooh. Ooh, interesting. Okay. So I feel like this is when things just goofy. Right. I like the look of that a little more. Still don't love it. Just do 1200 pixels. Okay. It's a little better. All right. Oh, some things just need to be fixed a little bit. Okay. This 10 EM, 10 RAM. I'm not sure what those sizes are. Then viewport like specify the width of the content area, but depending on box size, so I don't know. 88%. Okay. So, hmm, yeah. Interesting. Okay, so if we get rid of the background color there, we can just leave that like that. I feel like I like that. I would like to get back to hiding some pieces. What is going on? I feel like I'm getting hit up. Hmm, interesting. Sorry, I'm just getting some messages from people in my Flatiron cohort, and so it's interesting to hear what people have to say there. Okay, so to continue updating, I feel like the site is a little too dark, and so I think I still need to lighten this up. So I'm going to just do one character, 6, 7, 9. See what that does. Okay. You know, one thing I do want to have here, it's not just planned events, but the events. But this path events will not have a link. They should be a list item. So list items. Okay, all those messages are just coming in for the community coordinator. List item element. Unordered list, ordered list, ordered list. List item. And then one live stream or meetup number 1. Two. This would have been last week. 10. 25. And this would have been this week. Or 1. Check. And this is going to be next week. So the 8th. Okay, I like the way that looks. So now I actually could turn these into is the A target blank for A target blank. Look at these people. Oh, sorry, I don't want to show the screen. So I am getting images posted for you guys. Oh, code challenges trying to come up. So what I was going to do here is just get this to be a link href to that YouTube stream that I've already done once. Just to try and organize a little more. I'm trying to post up on the Slack about like my that Good. Class list link streams. Close that. And then probably just put it to right here for now. See how that looks. Sure. Okay. That should take you right to that guy. So that's code along 1, code along 2, 3. Okay. I don't mind having everything else actually be left aligned, and then maybe just having this and maybe this, these two in the center. So H1 and H2. Text align center. Just H1 and H2. Projects. Easy. Hi, buddy. Hi. Well, it's just tradition. And let's go to love. Oh, hey, Obi. One good boy. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, good boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Yeah, you're a good boy. You're kind of loud. All right, back to it. Hmm. I feel like something popped in one of these last ones that just kind of made it shift around a little. In a way that I really don't like. It's this one. Dang it. H2. Hmm. Hmm. No, I don't think that's necessary either. You know, this is one of those things where like you're kind of deciding on the fly. So it looks good. 1 second to the next. Goes back in time at all time. So we should switch that link. Just go straight to the made up. Discord is running hot. A lot of people, a lot of questions tonight. But I'm going to just mute these two servers. Okay, so what I was going to do was, instead of having this link to the Google Calendar template for the very first one, this one should actually link to oh my goodness, it's too long. href equals h clear stream. No, I like cut along. Recorded code along. Made up number 2. Okay. And maybe actually another unsorted list under like some list items updated CSS, get rid of border lines. There's some other pieces that I was going to do. Underline border and text HTML with additional past events. My gosh, stop. Sorry, I'm just getting a ton of messages right now, and so it's just very challenging to pay attention to both of these. Updated CSS to get rid of borders and text issues. Updated HTML with additional past events for a meetup and their links. Yeah, and I'm actually going to copy this format. up here for this list item. I think I like that. Okay. So let's see what that looks like. Hmm. I just don't know if I like the left look. Okay. I think I have to start by just going with just left everything. Center. Mm-mm. Okay. So I'm gonna start finishing up here. I'm getting hungry for some dinner. And so I'm actually going to do a little bit of something here. Oh, I did want to change this while I was down here. Record a code along from font, some JavaScript battles on append versus after. Updated HTML. Or file, etc. Okay. So I need to hurry up and get everything I wanted to get done. So there's that. Recorded code from your one. Lots of JavaScript battles on pen versus after. Updates made sure bio, etc. Just pass me the links. Okay. So these two are done. Let's lighten up this background. Again, 7, 8, A. Okay. Now I want to look at this top line description class only. So for h2 dot top line description. And text on center. Hmm. Exclude class from CSS. Okay, so it's getting up. Okay. So not H2, not dot top line description. It seems right. I don't know what that did. Oh, it's got rid of my margin auto. There we go. Okay, so I only have like 2 minutes left here. So I think what I'm going to build as my last couple things is just go through and make sure everything reads correctly. Any grammatical issues? Grammatical. I don't even know where my spacebar is right now. Can't do anything crazy. Okay, oh, that looks clean. And then I was going to planned and repeating events. Unordered list item. Other events to come. Classic. That's how you do it. That is how you do it. Okay. So this needs to be cleaned up there. I think that's gonna look better as an ordered list. Okay. Okay. So let's see how this looks now. Okay. So we still need like and maybe a space there. Okay. Now we could do. Oh, I do like the look of that. Something like this. And put like. Grab you. Put that there. Just so this line isn't as confusing. Okay. So I think that looks pretty good. All right, so this is all structured like I wanted to. I did want to get rid of that last little purple box before we go. Okay. And then one other thing I was going to do, make this consistent against all of these pages, which I don't think I will have time to do tonight, but we can try quick. So hobbies, we need something from index.html that will do this. It's both of these together. Yeah, let's just grab the whole head. Okay, so hobbies. Yeah, it's not just hobbies. It is this whole section. And now HTML. Now begin. Now HTML. Okay, refresh. Hobbies. So hobbies need to change your class to be active. Okay. Now we hobbies, home, hobbies, home. Okay. So let's get to the projects page. So we'll finish these last bits of the projects and then we will call it all good. So this is a little clunky. I think down the road, what I really like to do, and I'm just going to take a note of this now. Down the road, need the nav bar to be generated by JavaScript so that I'm not having to update for every page. Okay. So you're good. What's the next one? Projects. So projects go from here to here. And projects. Home, hobbies, projects. Switch class over to projects and build like a site manager. Like that would be that really neat thing. It's like having a site manager that does all this stuff. Okay. So I think everything's working. Let's just expand out. It's for 3D printing. 3D printing slash. Get rid of that. You know, like, let's just delete. We need to clean up some of this stuff. Currently. Field of JavaScript should have its own CSS. So how do we call that? Well, first off, let's get you in here. There you are. You just run it out there. Right? That sounds right. All right, end of nav. Div. Feel like I'm missing something here. No. Fields of JavaScript. Oh, 3D printing. You I would do, well, a class update. You don't know, both need to be active. Projects, printing, and test. Probably use a little update. Okay. Printing, projects, hobbies, home. Projects, printing. Text. Okay. So let's get this test page finished. Projects is on test. Project is on test. Okay. Last one. Fields of JavaScript. We gotta work on you. Okay, so we're at least going to like get this out of here. Be like, I don't know. 444. Do that. 282. Hi, Obi. Are you a happy dog? Yeah. Fields of JavaScript looks a little less blah. Okay, so that is going to finish up that one. I think there's an extra index in here, right here. We're gonna get rid of that. There we are. So now home, hobbies, project, 3D printing, test, and JS. Okay, so that is the last bit. Field of JavaScript, HTML. Need to move this class from there to here. And that should be the end of it. Test, JS test, 3D printing, projects, hobbies, and home. Cool. And that is it. So I appreciate it. I think that it was fun hanging out on here. I know not technically nobody showed up, but that's all good with me. Um, I'm going to post this up on my YouTube. I'm actually probably gonna edit out the first 17 minutes because those first 17 were rough. But yeah, I think I got a bunch of work done, and I think this was good that I still did this. All right, thank you. I hope that some more people will join me live next time, and we'll be able to get some discussion started. Thanks. Bye.